Today we will be replacing this smoke detector, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay everyone, so today on this lovely Monday we will be replacing this smoke detector. This is a smoke detector that has been sitting in my grandmother's house for about 50 years. It hasn't been replaced and nobody's really paid attention to it, so today I'll be replacing this detector. Now some people have put out some speculation saying that this is an early guard smoke detector. That is very possible. Once I take it off I will be able to tell what the brand is. But that is what I'm thinking, because a lot of the smoke detector enthusiasts have said that. So yeah, so today basically I'm going to be removing this thing and I'm also going to be replacing it. So yeah. Okay, so I'll remove the top plate off the smoke detector, and as you can see, here's the smoke detector. As you can see, there's the battery right there. There is a little bit of acid on it, so I'm going to have to be careful with that. But as you can see, pretty basic smoke detector, as you can see right here. So prior to removing the smoke detector off the ceiling, I did have to remove the battery because behind it there was a screw that I have to remove. But I did notice something on the battery. You may see the one terminal, but where's the positive terminal? Well, that one is still on the detector, and as you can see, this battery is very old. So yeah, definitely this detector is pretty old. I will now go ahead and finish removing the detector. Okay, so the smoke detector collectors were right. This is an early guard smoke detector. I'm not exactly sure when this was manufactured, but I do know it was manufactured many years ago. So I am going to see if I can ask some of the smoke detector collectors what they think when this smoke detector was manufactured. You can also put in the comment section what you think. Remember that part I was telling you where the positive terminal was basically stuck on the detector? There it is right there. As you can see, it's pretty rusted on there. It's really not going to come off. With this removal out of the way, I'm now going to go ahead and make sure that I install the new smoke detector. Okay, so taking a look, here's the new smoke detector I have. As you can see, is a kit of hardwired smoke detector. I did expect this to be a hardwired detector, but I was wrong, so it's just going to be used as a battery. This is where you would hook up the wires, but I do have a 9-volt battery in, so it should be fine. The model of this detector is I12060A. I did use this detector in a previous system test, and I believe in a couple other system tests. So you can go check out those videos, and I think I'll leave a link where you can see this detector in action in a couple of my other system tests. But as you can see, this one's a little bit more up to code. It's this one was made in 2020. It's 2022 today, but you know, it should last and do what it's supposed to do. Okay, here's the new smoke detector base, so now I'm just going to go ahead and add the smoke detector. So I'm just going to screw it on here. As you can see, there it is, and I'm now going to go ahead and give it a test. And there we go, it's working. I also did want to mention, I did replace another smoke detector not long ago. That smoke detector was replaced. I did not create a video for that, so I do apologize for that. This is just a way that you can improve the safety in your own home. You should always have working smoke detectors on every level, outside each sleeping area, and on basically every level throughout the hallways, kitchen, and whatnot. You can find all the safety information for that on NFPA's website, National Fire Protection Association's website, for more information about that. But without further ado, I thank you for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day. I will see you in the next video.